challenge me atop my
You need
pedestal,
more of a challenge.
I will crush you myself.
Here it comes, guys.
Impossible.
Get into positions.
Lord
Melee,
Thorim,
get into positions.
I will bring your foes a frigid death.
Jesus Christ.
Range, max distance.
Okay,
Get it.
Triangle shift right.
and you may want to scoot back 2 steps.
And then right back home.
Yeah.
Yeah, pins, you
And
got
then-
it. You got to back up. Be good. Oh wow.
Get a B-res on Marla, please.
Out of my range, I don't have it. I got him.
Good job.
Soft buffs on Marla.
I don't have it ready for him either.
Triangle move.
Oh, that's dangerous. Ugh.
Back.
Got 4 lightning charges.
Yeah, I need you to taunt off me.
Okay, I get it.
Pathetic.
Got him, getting him.
Soft buffs out on pins.
Are you gonna die?
Get fortitude on pins, please. He's got it.
Yeah, can I get paints up?
I got pins. Pins got it. He's using
Yeah,
cooldowns.
pins on.
B-res on Ray off. Final B-res, please.
Pathetic.
No, it's over.
Dazin down.
Yeah.
Wipe it up.
Yep. Wipe it. We did. 11:30
Hey, we-
on the nose. Some good pulls, some meh pulls, but all together.
Pathetic.
Lightning shit. I was literally further in than Spooky and Cat, and they were fine, and I died.
Hey.
Question mark? Question mark?
You wasn't, baby. It's all good. It's all good. No, we're at the end.